I am very publicly humbling myself by taking you guys through how I solved has271 problem on CodingBat. Oh my god, these were supposed to be really easy and confidence boosters, and it was a little embarrassing. It took a lot longer than it should have. So this is on section 102 of has271. CodingBat reads, given an array of ints, return true if it contains a 271 pattern, a value followed by a value plus 5 followed by the value minus 1. Additionally, the 271 counts even if the 1 differs by 2 or less, and we're gonna correct that. So yeah, here I am reading the problem, clicking OK, cute. Okay, but then they go on this line, additionally the 271 counts even if the 1 differs by 2 or less. I don't know what it means. And my brain's just, like, what do you mean the 1 is sometimes not a 1? Like, why? So I'm gonna try to interpret it. Yeah, I'm gonna try. So anyway, okay, margin of error, and then, yeah, I realized I have no idea what I'm doing. Yikes. So, like any responsible developer, I'm gonna go to Google. I'm gonna try looking up how to do margin of error Java. Of course. End up on Stack Overflow, just like the good old days. Oh, Stack Overflow, you've done me so well. Ooh. Okay, now we're looking up the Levenshtein distance. Something about strings. Those aren't numbers. Okay, I'm reading documentation, further confusing myself, and finally, I'm like, okay, you're spiraling a little bit. Let's go back. Comparison method. Okay, Math.abs. A subtract B is less than or equal to tolerance. Okay, Google just told me to subtract numbers, but that's fine. Writing in the initial logic. Okay, so I'm gonna go back. I'm feeling kind of good right now. I created a boolean flag because it just felt right. Like, I can't explain why. It just felt right. Let me write a little base case, because if the array has fewer than 3 elements, then it's just not gonna, Okay, then I'm like, loop time. When in doubt, for loops out. Okay, I'm gonna store nums at I as a start variable. I'm gonna check if nums at plus 1 is exactly 5 more. Okay, like, easy. Okay, nums at I plus 2. My brain's glitching a little bit. I don't even know how to get into the second condition. Like, it's a little chaotic. So I know that nums I plus 2 needs to be less than start with a margin of error of 2, but it's not clicking. It's not clocking to me. Okay, so I'm gonna type in nums I plus 1, subtract 1, and now we're stuck. Great, we love that. It's so fun. Okay, back to Google I go. Java. Allow margin of error, please. And it's the same formula, looking at me right in the face. I'm not gonna play. I'm just gonna ask my good old buddy Gemini for some help. Yeah, we're gonna tag team. No, I'm just gonna copy paste. Okay, it's coming back. 3 issues with your code. Loop safety, syntax, logic structure. Yeah. Okay, so everything's wrong. Thank you. Okay, so my loop is out of bounds. Rookie mistake. That's actually very embarrassing. Ew. Okay, I was out here doing nums of I plus 2. Like, I'm just roughing it out here. Okay, so I'm immediately gonna go fix that, because, yeah, why is my array going out of bounds? Embarrassing. Okay, seems like okay, algebra, yay. And of course, Math.abs comes back. That's embarrassing. Okay, Gemini basically just said this boolean flag was unnecessary. Like, just call me dumb. Just call me a little bit dumb. I'm just gonna rewrite everything and use return statements instead. I'm gonna run it. And of course, it doesn't compile. Classic. Okay, I'm gonna check all the brackets. Like, okay, so I had an extra parentheses, because of course I did. I'm gonna fix that. Let's run it again. Can't find score. No. All right, because I renamed the array the wrong thing. So goofy. Okay, I'm gonna run it, fix it. Okay, finally it fixed everything. Okay, I'm passing on tests. Nice. Okay, so because future me deserves some clarity, I'm gonna go back, add some comments explaining each step. while also being a little bit mad that it took this long. That was my chaotic journey solving the has271 problem. So if you enjoyed watching me suffer, feel free to stick around because I'm learning in public now. More CodingBat adventures, more hacker rank. I'm a little scared of LeetCode, but thanks for watching.